Is everybody okay?
Yeah.
Was that a smoke alarm? Who wants to fix it?
Rock, paper, scissors?
Let's have a quick icebreaker first.
Yeah!
Okay, so you stand over there and...
Man, I'm so good at rock, paper, scissors. Alright, time to check this battery. Just unhook that, open the side, pull the battery out. Don't forget to drain it until it stops chirping. That's when all the battery is out. Grab a fresh new battery, slide it in, make sure it's the right way, which that's probably not. That one is. Yep, okay, so that's working. Reconnect it.